Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your AWS Lightsail VPS to EC2 with Snapshots, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Lightsail service. Select the instance you wish to transfer. In the Instance Management page, click on the Snapshots tab. Click on the Create Snapshot button to initiate the snapshot process. Once the snapshot is created, navigate back to the Snapshots tab. Locate the snapshot you just created. Click on the snapshot to view its details. Choose the option to download or export the snapshot. This will redirect you to the S3 storage portion of your AWS account. Make sure to note the S3 bucket name associated with your Lightsail account. Open the Amazon EC2 service in a new tab within your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Snapshots section under the EC2 dashboard. Select the option to create snapshot within EC2. From here, click on Import Snapshot and fill in the details of your Lightsail snapshot. Ensure that the S3 bucket name is accurate. Specify the correct permissions for the snapshot. Click Import to begin the process of transferring your snapshot from S3 to EC2. Wait for the transfer process to complete. Once completed, navigate to the Snapshots section in EC2 to confirm the successful import. Select the newly created snapshot in EC2. Choose the option to create an instance from this snapshot. Configure your instance settings as desired, such as instance type, network settings, and key pairs. Finally, launch your EC2 instance and monitor to ensure everything is operational. Your AWS Lightsail VPS is now successfully transferred to EC2 using Snapshots. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.